Good day. Let's take a look at our weather pattern for this weekend and early next week. The overall weather pattern is showing low pressure over most of the western United States. That hasn't really changed much. We're in a northwest flow with plenty of moisture coming through, and because of that, we're getting showers every single day and even some snow at night. And it looks like this trough will continue to move east, and there is a little indication that we're going to see more precipitation over in north central Idaho tonight. I'll take a look at that a little bit more closely. But what we'll see here as we move through Friday and Saturday is a weak little high pressure Saturday morning. It looks like we might actually warm up a little bit and be a little drier, followed by an impulse of moisture that comes in late in the day on Saturday and Saturday night that'll bring a fair amount of moisture, especially north central Idaho. And then a cold front passes during Sunday morning, and that will cause snow levels to drop, and we'll expect mountain snow and snow over mountain passes. And then showers throughout Sunday as we have a trough over us. And then it looks like we should be able to get a little bit of high pressure, just really weak on Monday. So probably a few showers around, but not too much of a big deal. And then on Tuesday, we may see another low pressure system that could be pretty wet and bring a fair amount of rain and lower snow levels and things like that. This one we really don't have a lot of confidence on right now. Some of the models are showing this low to be near us. Other ones are showing it to be closer to Salt Lake City, so it would leave us drier and just on the colder side. So we'll keep an eye on that, but I did want to highlight that there is potential for another weather event on Tuesday. As for the details for tonight, starting at midnight, Mountain Time, you start to see some showers, or at least lingering showers, that are over in north central Idaho and around Grangeville. And these expand as we get through into the early morning. This one right here is showing greens as rain, and then the blues as a snow or rain-snow mix. So it looks like the snow levels will probably be closer to around 3,000 feet, somewhat similar to this morning. So we might see a bit of snow on Whitebird Hill and elevations of 3,500 feet and above, but even Grangeville should at least see some snow falling. We're not really that confident that it'll accumulate down there. At the lower elevations on roadways, it'll probably just be grassy. But I did want to point this out because it does look like we should have snow for most of the morning before that tapers off. And then the whole rest of the region just has some shower chances for tomorrow afternoon, and we might even see a couple of thunderstorms. I think this model is probably a bit underdone. I would expect to see more showers than what this shows. And then as we get into Saturday, like I said, it is a little drier and warmer, so we aren't really seeing much until we get to the afternoon, and that's when we start to see mountain snow and valley rain in northwest Montana, and then that expands as we get to the evening in north central Idaho. Rain amounts could again be somewhat substantial for north central Idaho. We could see places that are getting half of an inch, maybe even an inch of rain from Saturday evening through Saturday night. So any places that still have some vulnerability to the rain over in north central Idaho may have some other additional runoff issues for Sunday morning, but then the snow levels do drop again on Sunday, so there's just a little bit of concern again over there since it's so saturated and it's been raining every single day. As for the threat matrix, I highlighted tomorrow morning for snow above 3,000 feet in north central Idaho, and then the rest of the region doesn't seem to have too many impacts until either Saturday night or Sunday. I opted to highlight Sunday since most of this was happening either later in the day on Saturday or more so on Sunday morning through Sunday. So that rain in north central Idaho is a concern. The rest of the region is more of maybe mountain snow and mountain pass snow and some valley rain, so I just highlighted the snow aspect of that. Then Monday seems like showery, not too big of a deal. Tuesday I put rain snow mix and for everywhere. Again, we're not too confident on that, but planning for a more wet day seems like the way to go for now. We'll provide an update, at least as a recording, on Sunday, April 14th. Have a great day.